Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. Are you ready to party? I know I am. This is the Add Another Candle collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection includes bright, beautiful, bold colors with lots of fun ephemera, stencils, as well as stamps, coordinating dies, and more. Let's jump in and take a look at this complete collection. The first piece in this collection is the collection kit, which includes 2 of each of these beautiful papers, as well as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. The papers include Hooray, which has all of the beautiful cut-aparts, including 3 by 4 as well as 4 by 6 cut-aparts. Perfect for titles. You can cut these apart and use them on cards. The back of that paper includes the words Happy B-Day on this pretty teal background. The birthday cake paper includes this pretty teal background as well, with cakes, cupcakes, slices of cakes, macaroons, and more. The back includes this gorgeous diagonal stripe with lots of fun patterns. It isn't a party if you don't have balloons. And the Celebrate paper includes all of these gorgeous balloons on the front side, and then the back features all kinds of great words in lots of fun different fonts, including Happy Birthday, Add Another Candle, Another Year Older, lots of fun little icons as well, birthday hats and cupcakes and more. This paper is called wrapping paper. The front side includes these great geometric patterns in all of the fun colors that match the collection. The back of that paper includes this amazing plaid. Lots of pinks, reds, orange, a little bit of yellow, and white. So pretty. This paper is called Make a Wish. It includes lots of amazing candles with different patterns pulled from the collection. The back includes this great polka dot in all of the bright and beautiful colors. Grab your party hat and let's party with this paper that features all of the fun party hats. The back of that paper has a pink background with lots of little specks for confetti. Absolutely beautiful for layering and mixing and matching. This is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. It includes fun 12-inch borders. I love this fun banner. Lots of big titles, including Let's Celebrate, Yay, smaller words as well, Vintage is in, Happy Birthday, You're Fabulous, Add Another Candle, and then fun elements as well. Some balloons, party hats, cakes, and more. This collection also includes a build your own candle stencil set. There are 3 stencils in this collection. The first stencil includes the actual candle itself. The second stencil includes the little wick that goes on top of the candle, and the third stencil fills in all of the little flames. So when you add them one on top of the other, you get to build the perfect candle. As you can see, they layer beautifully one on top of the other. This is the Add Another Candle stamp set, which includes this fun birthday cake, presents, a single candle, a party hat, this little fun icon, as well as some great words, including Celebrate, All About That Cake, Let's Eat Cake, and Happy Birthday. There's also a coordinating die set that is available separately. This is the Add Another Candle die paper, which coordinate with the dies in this collection. If you're looking to add to your ephemera stash, or you're looking to mass produce birthday cards or invitations, this might be something to consider. Everything is already colored for you. All you have to do is cut them out with the dies, use the beautiful paper that matches, and create stunning invitations, cards, as well as using them in a scrapbook layout. We hope you enjoy the Add Another Candle collection as much as we do. We appreciate you stopping by today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.